Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study history like a pro. First, begin by understanding the broad context of any historical period you are examining. Don't just memorize dates. Instead, focus on the why behind events and their lasting impact. Next, we'll dive into effective strategies for analyzing primary and secondary sources, which are crucial for developing a nuanced perspective. Finally, I'll share techniques to help you retain information and apply your knowledge like a seasoned historian. To truly master history, active engagement is key. When reading, don't just skim, annotate your texts, noting down questions and connections. Visual aids like timelines, spanning perhaps a century or more, can help you grasp chronological order and cause-and-effect relationships. Try summarizing chapters or articles in about 100 to 150 words to solidify your comprehension. And for those crucial facts, flashcards are an excellent tool for quick recall. A professional historian doesn't just accept facts, they critically analyze them. Always question the source. Who created it, when, and why? Comparing at least 2 or 3 different accounts of an event can reveal fascinating insights and biases. Develop your own arguments, supported by robust evidence from your research. Remember, history is often about interpretation, so challenge existing narratives and form your unique, evidence-based conclusions. Long-term retention is vital for studying history effectively. Implement active recall by quizzing yourself without notes, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes daily. A powerful technique is to explain historical events or concepts to a friend or family member. This truly solidifies your grasp. Participate in discussions, sharing your insights and learning from others' perspectives. Finally, practice writing analytical essays, aiming for around 500 to 700 words, to articulate your historical understanding clearly and persuasively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.